Hello friends, I'm reviewing these sheetrock anchors. So I use these pretty much in every time I hang anything in sheetrock. These are incredibly strong, and compared to the old ones where you just kind of push it in and expand, these ones are a lot better. I've never had any of these pop out or anything as I've had with other ones. These are super strong. Some of them hold 50 to 75 pounds depending on which ones you get, but these are really nice. I'm just going to go hang a pot, show you guys how to do it real quick. So what's nice about these is you can just take it like this and pretty much just screw it right up into the ceiling. The little point on them, that's going to center it, and then you just start screwing in there. And they chew their way through the sheetrock. And then they just screw their way into that. And they cinch up right on there. It's super strong. And then you can use different kinds of screws in there. So this is just a hook. I'm gonna hang a plant from here actually. So this hook right here, just screw that in there. And this will probably hold quite a bit of weight. Screw that in there. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. I could probably almost hang from that. I'd feel confident putting at least 30 pounds on that, no problem. And there we have it. Hang a nice little potted plant right from there. That's not into a stud or anything. That's just in the sheetrock. And this can hold, some of them are rated I think up to 75 pounds. I'm not sure if it's vertically or in the wall horizontally, but these are definitely a lot stronger than your regular ones. So I thought I'd make this review. Hope this helps, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.